What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do Slaughterhouse Gulch. Looks like it's gonna rain. Stay tuned for the cruise. All right, this is attempt number 2 at Slaughterhouse Gulch. The first attempt, I drove into a snowbank and this happened. All right, so I got buried up to my frame. But yeah, pretty much all my wheels are off the ground, pretty much sitting on the frame. So this time round, I'm up here by myself. It's summertime, or I guess early spring, and I can tell you that the road is a lot rougher than during the winter. The snow definitely smooths out the road a little bit, but nothing too hairy yet. We haven't made it to the top parking lot before you drop down into the abyss. So today we're gonna see what happens. It was sunny all of 10 minutes ago, Colorado mountains. Storms can come and go in 5 minutes, so just always be prepared for that. All right, we made it to the top parking lot. As you can tell by the sign, it says 4-wheel drive only. This is pretty much the start of actual 4-wheeling at Slaughterhouse Gulch. You got a little lake going on here. Gotta get a little mud on the tires. But yeah, I'm gonna get the camera set up and head on down the abyss.
But you can make it on the right side. You can make it on the right side all the way.
Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy.
All right, so there's a big ass F-350 stuck down there. It looked like he was in some extreme stuff. I went the easy way, made it up the hard hill that everyone was talking about. So far, so good. Keep watching. A little bit of carnage. All right, well, that was Slaughterhouse Gulch. Pretty intense little drive there. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Come on.